Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, we are going to make strawberry lassi. The ingredients are strawberries, half cup of yogurt, half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, and some ice cubes. I also have ice cream which is in the freezer so it doesn't melt. 2 tablespoons of sugar, I'm using frozen strawberries. You can use fresh ones if you like. Add ice cubes, yogurt, now I'm adding 1 scoop of ice cream. Put the lid on, tighten it, add milk, and blend again. I decorated this glass with strawberry syrup and I put it in the freezer. Now it's all frozen. I'm going to pour my strawberry lassi inside. Now I'm going to put my ice cream on the top. Our really tasty, mouth-watering drink is ready. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.